What is releasing your unlimited creativity, otherwise known as RYUC, all about? If you look at this picture accompanying this recording by David Vorzimer, entitled Symphony of the Heart, you will see a picture of a heart with a megaphone, and out of the megaphone comes a bouquet of flowers. Symbolically, this picture, created independently of the RYUC understanding, reflects tremendously what RYUC is all about in the unfoldment of our creative passion. At the core of our being and what gives us life is symbolized by the heart, and it is a creative passion. What arises from the core of our being is a creative, life-giving energy. It creates life, energizes our life, and energizes everything we do in life. You can look at the heart symbolically, or you could say the heart and the creative passion felt within the heart is this creative life energy that flows within us and energizes us to create. As in the picture symbolized by the heart, this energy is directed into creating flowers. And what are the flowers? The flowers are the different aspects of our life that we create and that we bring into existence by how we choose to live our life. This creative life energy and the passion found in the heart is the source of all that we do in life. A flower starts from a seed. When planted in the correct environment and properly nourished, it will germinate and grow into a plant. The plant will bud, and the bud will blossom and then turn into a flower. When fully bloomed, the flower will allow its fragrance to go into the world to be shared. But we are not a one song, a one flower person. There are multiple things we do in life. We have multiple relationships. Each one can be a flowering within its beauty and its beautiful fragrance going into the world because of the interaction we have had with the world and how we choose to interact. Or that flower can wither up and die when the flower is not properly nourished or given the space to unfold. RYUC is about understanding what lies in our unique creative passion and what our heart is asking us to create and bring forth into the world. In some ways, this creative, heartfelt passion is like a drowning person grasping for air. If they do not get the air, they will drown. In the same way, if we are not allowed to express what lies in our heart and express our heartfelt creative passion in some way, a part of us dies. And, as a result, life does not seem worthwhile. Something appears to be missing. Something feels incomplete. Life in some way is unfulfilling. There may be even a feeling of emptiness. We look externally for what is missing, but is only a part of our own passion that has not been allowed to flower for whatever reason it may be. We need to understand we each are very unique, and the life we live is very much a solo journey. No one sees or experiences the world as we do. We each need to do our own experiments to see what nurtures and serves us and what allows our creative passion to be addressed and expressed in some way. We each need to eat and digest all that we are told and read, much like we would any food. We keep what serves us and assimilates it into our body, and we discard and eliminate what does not serve us. It is important to allow our heartfelt creative passion to come out. Otherwise, a part of us dies. But in the world, there are a lot of demands, and it's hard sometimes to nurture and water the plant that needs to grow. So, when we have someone in our life that is willing to give us the space and help nurture what we are trying to bring into the world, it is a fantastic gift. It is a fantastic gift that is given to us, and it is a fantastic gift that we can give to another. RYUC is about helping to understand how to nurture that gift within us to allow it to grow and flower and blossom. In the same way, it also helps to understand what lies in the other person so that we can help create the space for it to grow and flower and blossom. And we each have many gifts. In this regard, we need many people with their unique talents in our life that may help us to nourish those gifts. So the question is, do we nurture what needs to be nurtured within ourselves? And are we willing to help nurture what lies within another to bring our gifts and their gifts into the world? That is what RYUC is all about. The goal of the RYUC material is to inspire the individual to become aware of and to access their creative passion, then empower them to act on that creative passion and bring it into the world in some way, and to the best that one can do in words, as in the web files in these recordings, create the space to support its growth and unfoldment.